Okay, this is my setup. Let's see how these cameras compare. I use the internal microphones only, and let's say from here on the microphones from the Osmo 360. And from here the Action 6. And from here the Pocket 4. And I think this is so far enough.
Returning to palm. Landing.
Okay, I'm doing a new walk with the Pocket 4, and I chose the tilt lock. I'm still learning what the best use is. Because the problem, since it's chest mounted, is that when I lean forward, it tends to look down rather than to look forward. But so far, it seems like tilt lock is a good solution. I think it looks good. Follow. Yeah, when I tilt over, this is what it does. And that's not good. So I'll definitely want tilt lock. I just wonder if I change the view before I do the tilt lock, what happens? If I do like this, do the tilt lock. Yeah. Okay, so I have to set the tilt lock when I have the right view, like this. This is follow. And then it falls up. And if I do the FPV, yeah, I guess it's even worse. So tilt lock is definitely the best solution. Even if I like this, when I'm going up, it continues to show the direction.